Hello everyone! It's the unboxing of Siti.
Of what?
It's her gaming.
Monitor.
Let's see. Monitor. One only, not one only. It's got another one. Wow, it's gaming time.
People ask to help you take video. Very good line. Very big I need help lah, stop videoing.
She need helps for her unboxing. Okay, put here. Yes. Come on. It's opening time. Hala.
Lie down na the thing.
Up. Oh, you put there. It's unboxing time. It's gaming. Taran!
Apa ni? Tembak.
Oh, tembak. What is this? What is this? This is adapter.
Oh, this is the fan.
Then, what is this? It's a styrofoam. Then, oh, it's a fan. And here it is.
I'm sure there is something to understand.
You sit down properly. Yes, and this is ta-da! It's a watermelon. It's reading how to make it. Oh no! To build up the thing.
You got a screwdriver?
Screwdriver. Wait, I'll go and get. Computer talking itself. Okay, this is screwdriver.
Alah, sial lah.
Another one. Is this a screwdriver?
Lousy screwdriver.
Or is this a bunch of screwdriver?
That's not a screwdriver, that's Allen key.
Oh, it's Allen key.
Don't confuse the people.
Oh, I don't know. This is Allen keys. Allen keys. You know Allen keys? And this is a screwdriver also. Okay. So you don't need this. You run and the mother helping.
Careful lah.
Careful. Ta-da! This is it. Hello guys. This is a gaming time for Siti Mariam.
Put it on the styrofoam. Put it flat.
Like that. This is the way to do it. Fragile and like that. I don't know. I show you how to do it. There. Follow the step. Screw it. Unscrew it.
Telling you not what to do, what not to do.
Don't be bodoh lah.
Since you're there, cut lah, eating.
Sila. Angkat dah. Ready.
What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Whose one is it?
Go and see which one is ringing.
Perks of having so many phones. This has to be strong If I don't like tighten it properly I'm screwed My TV. My monitor falls over and I die. Cover behind. Mess. Is that supposed to be?
I'm coming back. What's now?
Nice, right? The thing is curved.
Yeah.
Is it me or is it like slightly tilted?
Maybe slightly like that, huh?
Yeah, because it's meant to be on the table. Anyways.
Then after that, what's next step? This is the cable. Let's unbox the cable. Tron.
Oh, mounting.
Then you mounting. Then after that,
Don't have a mount anything yet. You know what's mounting?
what?
When you hook it to the wall.
Oh,
This is for that.
then you keep you put properly in a small plastic bag. Then you can mount in the wall.
Don't think you want to.
Then you mount down there.
When?
When now? This is a cable. And you don't throw this. You put.
So the HDMI cable don't throw. This one comes with that
Yeah.
Nice. You want to
like that.
Yeah. I try putting it on the table.
And you put the things down here. And those other things can throw. This one I can use recycle. This one keep. This one to put on fragile. This is the don'ts and correct thing to do.
Excuse me, ma'am?
This is buy from Lazada. Lazada. And now going to put where? You remove first that. This going to put in a table.
It's actually pretty light. Huh. That's huge.
Wow, that's huge. And that's the way it is. That is her laptop. And she's trying to do.
Where is the power supply?
Power supply.
Down here. Oh, that's cool.
She's an technician, IT technician. So she knows what she's doing.
You don't boost my fake thing. I tell you. Where's the HDMI cable? Can try something. Oh, the HDMI different.
Huh? Different?
A bit lah. Let's see the bit different. Take my one outside.
While she doing that, first I come out and see, there it is. I'm in my outside also and watching live show.
Kasi pag-abroad ka, pagdating ko sa Arab country, pag nag-retire ka from there,
Yes, Sisley, I'm watching you. And wait,
Like here, right?
huh? She's trying to connect.
Ah, do see.
It's done. So that is the way. Then what is that?
Oh, using cable. Boring.
I thought you got cable just now.
But the cable is different. What is this one here? Oh look, it's on.
It's okay.
But there's like nothing to do with it because there is power but it's not connected to anything.
Then you cannot connect to your laptop.
Wait lah. I need to start it out. No signal.
Okay. Testing time.
The question is whether it will don't know what's happening as well. safe.
Yala, you put your copy down there. Ito ang kana. Is it improper? Is it tight enough?
This is as tight as I can make it.
Okay, as long as it not fall down.
Alright. If it falls down, bye bye 200. Woohoo!
Bye bye 200. 200 is cost. How much? That one is around 8,000 pesos.
Oh shit.
Is it connected? Already?
There's another way to find out.
Oh yeah, it's connected. Congratulations, you make it.
That's very big, right?
Wow, so big.
Very nice, right?
It's 24 inches?
21.
21 inches?
Yeah. Oh, 24, sorry, it is.
It's 24 inches. Then I can play also. I can connect also. No,
Yeah. Okay. Come on.
come on. Well, we're gonna play.
Ito. Will it show on the...
Wow, come on.
Eh?
This is Siti new
Oh, that's nice.
screen. What you call this?
Huh? Monitor.
Oh, this is the
This
new
one-
monitor
this
of City. There you go.
That's nice.
That is the unboxing of one monitor, and another monitor is until the waiting to be unboxed. Wow. If you got another one down there some more, what is this? A PlayStation? City Mariam. PlayStation of City Mariam?
Oh, PlayStation.
And then what?
It's a Switch.
She wants to play game. Then what is that? Oh, you're outside gamer.
Which one? Yeah. My Switch.
Then you put behind it.
I will.
You hang here.
What thing?
The cable you hang here first lah.
It's a Switch. I just want to test only. But anyways, this works. So that's good.
Yala, anyways, I want you to sit down and see how you play it.
Then what is that to play?
Your game.
This put there first. Got this because I want to use this.
Ay, done. She's gone. Oh, you remove it.
Yeah.
Not connected.
That looks so messy.
So now it will connect back.
Let's see.
Nothing.
Wait lah.
It's an alright. Oh man. Wait this.
Oh wait lah.
Before I go away, you must say something.
What?
Click. Check.
Bye bye.
I want to see. You open first this one before I go.
Open what?
Nah, it's still black.
Just not can. I don't know what to do.
Maybe not yet connected there.
No, it's connected. It's like one way only thing. I try on back lah.
No?
No signal. Why is it no signal?
What signal? Internet?
No, the cable I think.
Yeah, just now also. My your wood. What happened to the wood? Oh, you longer. Eh.
I don't know. I try muna. Because it's not can.
Yeah lah. Wait, just now. Maybe the one down there.
Huh?
Put down here. Ah.
Aya, whatever lor. Aduh, isi.
Just now can what?
Just now can lah to this one.
Oh, you want to be direct in the
Laptop.
laptop ah?
Hmm.
Then that one connect to the laptop can ride.
Which one? This one?
Uh-uh.
No.
Huh? Cannot?
My laptop is only output only. That means it can only receive, it can only go outwards, it cannot go inwards. You know what I mean?
Huh.
So it's out only.
But this one can connect already, right?
This one can. But it's not. Yeah.
See?
This one can.
That is the unboxing of Siti Mariam. So now let's do bye-bye. Siti Mariam, bye-bye. And don't forget to click the button, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.